When it comes to skincare, most of us want to achieve that healthy, radiant glow. But despite our best intentions, we often make mistakes that compromise our skin's well-being. Navigating the world of skincare can be confusing. With endless products, conflicting advice, and marketing hype, it's easy to fall into habits that do more harm than good. Let's explore some of the most common skincare mistakes that might be ruining your skin and learn how to avoid them, so you can maintain a complexion that's truly healthy from the inside out. One of the most widespread mistakes is over-cleansing. Many people believe that scrubbing their face vigorously or cleansing multiple times a day will keep their skin clear and blemish-free. In reality, this can strip your skin of its natural oils, even increased oil production as your skin tries to compensate. Instead, opt for a gentle cleanser tailored to your skin type and cleanse only once or twice daily, preferably in the morning and at night. Another common error is neglecting to moisturize, especially if you have oily or acne-prone skin. It's a misconception that moisturizers will make oily skin worse. In fact, skipping moisturizer can leave skin dehydrated, which may prompt it to produce even more oil. The key is to choose a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer that hydrates without clogging pores. Every skin type needs moisture, and finding the right product can help restore balance and improve overall texture. Exfoliation is another area where many go wrong. While exfoliating helps remove dead skin cells and can make skin look brighter, overdoing it can lead to redness, sensitivity, and even micro-tears. Physical scrubs with harsh particles are particularly problematic, as they can damage the skin's surface. Instead, limit exfoliation to once or twice a week and consider chemical exfoliants like AHAs or BHAs, which are often gentler and more effective. Always follow up with a soothing moisturizer and sunscreen, since exfoliated skin can be more vulnerable to the sun. Speaking of sunscreen, one of the most damaging skincare mistakes is neglecting sun protection. Even on cloudy days or when you're indoors, ultraviolet rays can penetrate windows and contribute to premature aging, pigmentation, and even skin cancer. Sunscreen should be a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Apply a broad-spectrum SPF of at least 30 every morning, and reapply every 2 hours if you're outdoors. Don't forget areas like your neck, ears, and hands, which are often overlooked but just as susceptible to sun damage. Using the wrong products for your skin type is another pitfall. Not all skin is created equal, and the moisturizer or cleanser that works wonders for your friend might wreak havoc on your own complexion. Take the time to identify your skin's needs, whether it's oily, dry, sensitive, combination, or acne-prone, and select products formulated accordingly. If you're unsure, consult a dermatologist or esthetician to help guide your choices. Layering too many products at once is a trend that can backfire. The temptation to try every new serum and cream is strong, but mixing multiple active ingredients, like retinol, vitamin C, and acids, can overload your skin, leading to irritation and breakouts. Instead, keep your routine simple. Cleanse, treat, moisturize, and protect. Introduce new products gradually, one at a time, and allow your skin to adjust before adding something else. Not removing makeup properly is a mistake that's easy to make, especially after a long day. Sleeping with makeup on can clog pores, trigger breakouts, and accelerate aging by preventing skin's natural overnight repair process. Always remove makeup thoroughly with a gentle cleanser or micellar water before bed, and follow up with your regular nighttime routine. Another issue is picking or squeezing pimples. While it might be tempting to fix a blemish quickly, this habit can worsen inflammation, spread bacteria, and increase the risk of scarring. Instead, treat breakouts with targeted spot treatments containing ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, and resist the urge to touch your face. Ignoring the importance of hydration and nutrition is a mistake that goes beyond topical products. Your skin's health is closely linked to what you put into your body. Drinking plenty of water, eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins, and minimizing sugar and processed foods can all contribute to a clearer, more radiant complexion. Supplements like omega-3 fatty acids or collagen may also support skin health, but consult with a healthcare provider before adding anything new. Another commonly overlooked factor is sleep. Skimping on rest can accelerate signs of aging, increase inflammation, and make skin appear dull or puffy. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night and establish a calming bedtime routine to help maximize your skin's natural repair processes. Stress is another culprit that can sabotage your skin. Chronic stress increases the production of cortisol, a hormone that can lead to breakouts, inflammation, and premature aging. Practicing mindfulness, meditation, or gentle exercise can help reduce stress and benefit both your skin and overall well-being. Using expired products is a mistake that's easy to overlook, but can have serious consequences. Skincare formulas can degrade over time, losing their effectiveness or even becoming contaminated with bacteria. Always check expiration dates and replace products as needed. If a product changes color, consistency, or smells off, it's time to toss it. Not patch testing new products is another risky habit. Applying a new cream or serum all over your face without testing for sensitivity can result in irritation or allergic reactions. Always patch test on a small area of your skin, such as behind your ear or on your wrist, and wait 24 hours to see how your skin reacts before full application. Ignoring seasonal changes is another mistake. Your skin's needs can shift with the weather. Lighter moisturizers may be preferable in summer, while richer creams help combat dryness in winter. Pay attention to your skin's signals and adapt your routine accordingly. Lastly, relying solely on trendy products or viral skincare hacks can be problematic. While it's fun to experiment, not everything you see online is backed by science or suitable for your skin. Prioritize evidence-based ingredients and proven routines, and don't hesitate to seek professional guidance if you're struggling with persistent skin issues. To sum up, achieving healthy skin is less about perfection and more about consistency, simplicity, and self-care. By avoiding these common mistakes, over-cleansing, skipping moisturizer, neglecting sunscreen, using the wrong products, over-exfoliating, sleeping in makeup, picking at blemishes, and ignoring lifestyle factors, you're giving your skin the best chance to thrive. Listen to your skin, treat it gently, and remember that true beauty starts with a foundation of healthy habits.